Hello class, this is Dr. Michael Bashirs. I want to give you some hints or tips, if you will, on how to locate a peer-reviewed article within the university's online library. When you get to your home screen of your course, you should see something that looks or resembles this, is what you're seeing or viewing here. At the very top, you'll see a menu that has various options. One of those options is Library. I ask that you click on Library. Allow it just a few moments to take you to the online library. And here, you should explore. Click around, look at things, see what you can find. Learn about how to use the library and where different things may be located that will assist you. However, let's keep it basic. At the very beginning here, you see a search box, if you will, where you can type in your keywords of exactly what you're looking for pertaining to a peer-reviewed article. Okay, for our purposes, I'm going to use my drop-down menu because this is things that I check frequently. But let's look at, do body-worn cameras improve police behavior? We'll slide over to our right and we see the word search. Click on search. Again, allow the library to do a little work here. And you will notice that you will have a selection of articles, if you will, that are related to the topic you're looking for. Here's one exactly named that, do body-worn cameras. Guess what? It's not a peer-reviewed article. How do I know that? If you notice, you scroll down, you will see different titles, and they say peer-reviewed journal. This one does not. Okay? So it's not peer-reviewed. So let's say as we scroll through, we can see all these different topics, and as well as we can see, the publication that it was in, and different information about it. But it's available online. It is peer-reviewed, and these are things that we could look at if we were looking at a source to cite in our research papers or within our weekly postings. We want to ensure that everything that we see is peer-reviewed. Look to the menu, if you will, on the left side of this screen. As you look down, you'll see peer-reviewed journals. So we want to check that box. And we go further, it says resource type, we want articles. So we want peer-reviewed articles, okay? So this right here narrows that search down. If we want to go by a date restriction, we can have publication date, and you can open up some of these drop-down menus and explore more options there as well. As we scroll down that menu toward the bottom, you will see Apply Filters. So what we're doing now is applying those boxes that we've checked. What happens then is all the articles now that we are looking at have been peer-reviewed. It says peer-reviewed journal. So all these that we scroll through now have been peer-reviewed. And you can click on the titles, or you can click down here where it says available online, and it will take you to those articles. So it's something to keep in mind. Anyway, hopefully this will be helpful to you and a source that you can use when you're looking for peer-reviewed articles when you're writing your research papers or making your post in your online discussion areas. That being said, have a great day. And again, I hope you found this short video useful to locate peer-reviewed articles in the university's online library.